Apple wants an injunction blocking the sales of the Samsung Galaxy tablet and the Samsung Galaxy handheld smartphone. But the US courts have so far said no. The US court has denied Apple's bid to halt the Samsung sales in the United States, but the court said that patent infringement is still likely. Let's look at the patents that were used by Apple against Samsung, and let's try and figure out why the court thought that infringement was still likely. Well, one of the patents that Apple chose was a design patent. If you look at this patent design and then match it up against the Samsung product, I have a Samsung Galaxy phone here, and you can see that basically any juror, you don't need to be a technical expert, and jurors are regular people. They're not technology experts. You don't need to be a technical expert or a patent expert to look at that design patent, look at this product, and figure out that there's a match. And when there's a match like that, the court can determine very readily that infringement is likely. Now, patent claims are the most important part of the patent. When it comes to litigation, it's the claims that are litigated. Each element of the claim, of a claim, has to be found in the infringing product in order to find a case of infringement. Now, claims that are filled with technical gobbledygook can confuse regular people, and they are the people that sit on patent juries. Long technical claims are difficult for regular jurors to understand. How could a regular person tell if a claim is being infringed if they don't understand the claim itself? When it comes to selling patents and valuing patents, often we find that short, simple claims are the most valuable. Of course, the patent examiners push back on broad claims as far as they can, and there's often a tussle between the patentee and the examiner to see just how broad the claims are that are going to be allowed for this particular patent. It's important when you're filing a patent, prosecuting a patent, to design the claims for litigation. Imagine you're going to stand up in front of a jury of regular people and explain this claim and explain how each element of the claim is to be found in the accused infringing product. This has a huge impact on the value. Litigation quality patents, the patents that have those claims that are easily litigated in court, are very much more valuable. And often the patents with claims that are not easily litigated are virtually unsellable. So, when you're filing patents, less is more when it comes to the claims. Obviously, you want the claims to be as broad as possible, but you want them to be as simple and understandable as possible. And visual evidence, like Apple's design patent, can be very effective in court. That's why Apple chose that design patent when asserting their rights against Samsung and looking for an injunction.